and welcome to the Writing Nook here at Fruitiful Soul. Today we write the Ekphrasis. Seeing carefully, listening deeply. A conversation ignites. So grab your journal and a pencil or pen and let's begin. Open your journal to a blank double-page spread. We'll use the left-hand page for gathering and the right-hand page for shaping the poem. Choose one work of art to sit with today, a painting, a photograph, a sculpture, or an image on the screen. Take a quiet moment and really look. Pause this video as long as you need to. Once you find your image to consider, write for a minute or two about what meets you first. A feeling, a shape, a stillness. There's so much to see when you look at a work of art, but what you're doing here is interacting. I think of William Carlos Williams, how he could stay with a single image like a wheelbarrow after the rain and let attention itself carry the meaning. Keep looking. Notice light or shadow, texture or space, what feels near and what feels distant. Write what the image seems to whisper. Ask it a question if one arises. Now close your eyes for a moment and imagine stepping inside the artwork. Notice the air, the sound, the feeling of being there. Try letting a voice speak, the artist, a figure within the image, an object, or the image itself looking back at you. Read back through what you've written. Circle a few words or phrases that feel alive. And then turn the page. At the top on the right-hand side of your double-page spread, write a title. And then number down the page from 1 to 6. As I read each line, you'll see it appear on the screen. Let each one guide you as you gently write your poem. Keep in mind, ekphrastic poems are flexible. They can rhyme or not, take any shape, and move in as many lines or stanzas as they need. This 6-line approach is just one simple way to help you begin. So, let's work through these prompts together. 1. A doorway in. What do you see first? Name the image clearly. 2. A second glance. Notice one detail you didn't see at first and describe it. 3. A question. What does the image make you wonder or ask? 4. A voice appears. Let the image, artist, or object speak in one line. 5. A shift. What changes in feeling, attention, or understanding? 6. A last look. What image or line stays with you at the end? Take your time, move slowly. Pause the video anytime you need. When your 6 lines are down, read the poem aloud. Listen for presence, for attention, for connection, and ask yourself, did I stay with the image? Did a voice or question emerge? Does the poem feel like a response rather than description? If yes, you did it. You wrote your ekphrastic poem. Good work. Hey, just to let you know, I've linked a writing guide and an example poem in the description if you'd like more. And there's a book too if you want to go deeper. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you dropped by. Tune in again. Make sure you hit like and subscribe for more. And until then, stay charmed.